Until now, I talked a lot about team journeys, and maybe you're still wondering what actually is a Culturizer team journey. And this is what I want to show you right now. So you see the visualization, and the team journey has three main ingredients: workshop module, culture hacks, and checks. So explore and dive are the workshop modules which kick off and start your Culturizer journey. Explore for regular culture transformation processes, and dive for the area of diversity, equity, inclusion, and belonging. Similar modules, but same intention to get the process started. So the team will learn around the Culturizer, what it's doing. It will get some input. It will have a first team evaluation where we stand on certain topics, and then create culture hacks at the end, and which will incorporate into daily work in order to change and transform the culture. Culture hacks, as said, are tangible agreements and measurements. In the workshop module, the team will collect culture hacks, and then for this first sprint, so the time span from the workshop module until the first check, it will focus on maximum of 4 culture hacks. So focusing on this in this point helps for commitment. Those hacks can be super easy, super simple, but very impactful. So for example, if you have the topic feedback, you're not that open when it comes to feedback, you can agree on that every time someone is presenting or bringing in a new idea, a new concept or something like this, the team will give immediate feedback. So this would be a tangible agreement, just an example. So those 4 hacks within the sprint will be measured, assessed by the team members. So weekly or bi-weekly, the team gets an email, makes a quick assessment, how well is the hack implemented, and can define a comment. Based on this data, in the check situation, around 6 weeks later, the team will meet for the check. The check, also guided by the Culturizer, is a quick session, 30 to 45 minutes, where the team reflects on how well did we implement our hacks and how do we proceed with those hacks. Do we have to continue with the hack? Can we make a tick in the box and finish it? Or do we archive the hacks because it doesn't fit, doesn't matter? And based on those, the new sprint is planned. So maybe a new hack is incorporated, another one is finished, and so the team can continue with culture hacking. After 2 or 3 checks, it's time for a new workshop module. This can be content-wise. For example, here is module. It can be grow, the module around errors and mistakes, and there the team takes some time to reflect in a workshop module, workshop-oriented space. Again, no external, internal facilitation needed, all facilitated by the Culturizer. And then new hacks are created, will be incorporated into the next phase of the team journey. So those are the team journeys. And if you think about creating, shaping corporate culture, the more teams change in a certain direction, in the same direction, the more the overall culture will be transformed as well.